So before we begin, we just want to explain the madness that is Edie and Stu Beans and the reason for this video. One, we did want to do a tour of the RV or travel trailer.
We've wanted to for a long time, a couple months coming.
But in famous Edie and Stu fashion, we're kind of taking a page from the Bizarro episode of Seinfeld, but more so, it's a tribute to Matt and Andrea from Matt's RV Reviews.
We love them. Hi, Andrea.
And we want to congratulate them on recently reaching their 100,000 subscriber.
100,000.
Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll have 35 subscribers.
Maybe.
But if you're fans of that, you can go to mattsrvreviews.com. You can also just search that on YouTube and you'll find their channel. You have to understand their videos to understand this one. So go check their videos out. Again, congratulations to the both of you. We love you both. So let's go to the video. Hey everybody. Today we're looking at the Camp Light Living Light 16 TBS 529 7842 minus BH
.org.net.
.edu,
Right.
where we will show you the inside features later and the outside features tomorrow. We're starting in 48, 47, 46, 45, 2, 1. So I'm Stu from the littlehouseofbeans.com.org.net
.edu.
And I'm mildly excited to show you our travel trailer, which we picked up in October
Of 2020.
of 1842. Before I begin, I'd like to say hello to Edie Beans. Hi, Edie Beans. Is that all you have to say?
That's all.
So let's take a walk around the inside. Tip to tip is 29,000 feet or 20 feet. The box inside is 16 feet, also known as 38,000 feet. Altitude.
Correct.
We have a double. Hey, stop that.
Stop that.
We have 7 propane tanks. We have 6 Battleborn lithium batteries right here. And this is our automatic tongue jack. It's automatic when you use it. Let's take a walk around the side.
Walking.
So we have a little bit of space here. This is not a magnetic clip, but it will be when I buy some magnets. And you can see all the way to the end.
If the other side was open.
Right.
Right.
You have manual jacks.
AKA this is the basement.
You have a really long hose storage place for your stinky slinky, which we will not use. This is where you put your fresh water and your city water. Portable.
Portable.
This is our 92-gallon hot water heater.
Yep. Scorching.
Right? Hey, Edie, look at these tires.
Look at those tires. How I hate them. Do we hate them?
I hate them too. These are the Maxxis. I don't know,
M2.8 pi squared.
Yeah, I hate those. Yeah. And they're brand new. This is where the power
13
comes
inch.
in. This is 92 amp power for special campgrounds, right? And this is where you put your park cable. All right, coming around the back. That's the back. I'm going to go up on the ladder. Let's go take a look.
Oh, don't be careful. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Let's not go up on the ladder. We also have a place for fresh water, spigot spray doodad, and this is an aluminum bumper. You can tow 89,000 pounds.
Easy.
Easy. But we recommend 61,000 pounds.
Right.
Or more. Let's continue
On
video.
the inside, right.
We have a super speedy, automatic, solar powered, generator powered awning which you could imagine would be out if it was out. You got a handle here. The construction, all Asdale.
All aluminum.
Oh yes. So the whole trailer is aluminum.
All of it.
We'll get to that. Asdale side, you have your European double pane windows, which are beautiful if you were sitting there looking out of the window. You have power on the outside here. And then here's some more windows. And then here is the other side of the basement, where you could see all the way through.
If it were open on the other side.
Right. Well, Edie, the inside of this travel trailer looks great, but the outside looks even worse. Let's go take a look.
Let's do it. Yes, life insurance.
All right. All right, so before we begin, we're going to put the slide back in. And while we're doing that slide, if we could ask our viewers, all 33 of you, smush the dislike button and unsubscribe. Let's continue the video. This is the slide out. This is where the couch is. It's super uncomfortable, but we have a really nice pillow. Product placement. Oh, it's really cold in here.
Yeah.
This actually will create a bed. Here's the fantastic fan, except it's a Maxxis fan. It's not really that fantastic. We have LED lights. How come our LED lights don't work?
Electric on.
Because I have to put the power. You have LED lights all over the place. We have a little bit of storage right here.
This is our junk drawer.
That's
of
our
the
junk
RV.
drawer. We have a 98,000 cubic foot refrigerator.
Yeah.
Which comes with really cheap beer.
It does.
Product placement.
Most important, chocolate. And a tiny little freezer.
Yep. This is where the kitchen is. We have a really cheap plastic sink.
We do.
We have a...
2 burner.
No, count it again. That's 8 burners.
Oh, I see.
If you
These
do-
6 are hidden in the back.
If you do division.
Okay, right.
We have a paper towel holder with some prime paper towels.
Viva.
We don't have an oven, but we do have a convection microwave, which is huge. You can do like 7 turkeys in there
Easy.
and store your Twinkies.
Yep.
Here's a little bit more storage up here. That's a pantry. Every pantry should
Oh,
have
Nutella all the
Nutella
way.
and Hershey's cocoa.
Yeah.
Which combined for camping with tuna is really, really
The
good.
dogs like it.
We have a 9-speaker stereo
Bose.
right here, right? A Bose system. I love that. And a towel. We have a beautiful backsplash,
That Edie Beans did.
right? And this is majestic Greek tile,
Right.
right from Home Depot with,
Exactly.
with sticker on the back.
Yep. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt.
Let's take a look at the bed. So this is actually a twin bed, which we made into a king bed. So all I did was put some aluminum there and a piece of wood. And now we have a king bed,
With a dog bridge.
right? We have more storage up here.
Yeah. Hanging closet.
Lots of storage. And you can see the beautiful hand-painted Italian mural that Edie Beans did in the back. Well, Edie, it's now time for the MSRP.
Do-do-do-do.
The MSRP on this here model is 92,849 rupees. But if we were to sell this model, Edie,
Yeah.
we can always do a lower price. Edie, tell us how to contact us.
Well, you can call, you can email, you can text, you can send a carrier pigeon or skywrite. Stu Beans at the Little House of Beans.
Right. Now let's continue the video. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Edie, it's now time for the toilet test.
Porcelain?
No, I believe that is also Turkish granite. Really just a toilet, foot flush. It is porcelain. We have a fan up here. We've got some beautiful microfiber towels and a nice shower.
Now, Stu, 3 things we love about this RV and 3 things we love about this RV. Do you want to start?
Yes.
Okay. I'll start. So what I love about this RV is the amount of storage for a little 16-foot. I also love the room that we have right here for the slide out. I mean, this is a nice area for a 16-foot. I do love that there are lots of windows, extremely bright in here. I like that. So storage, lots of windows. I do like the size of the refrigerator and tiny little freezer. I do like that.
That's storage here.
Yeah, tons of storage. I would eventually like to switch this counter right here. Not a fan. And switch the sink and the faucet. And I'd like to get blackout curtains for those 2 windows in the back where we sleep, and possibly even for this living area over here by the couch. Other than that, maybe a good idea is to switch out this couch, which is not so comfy, with 2 recliners. And I'd like to get a little table. What is that called? The one that comes up, and is there a specific name?
A lagoon. Well, we'd like a lagoon table.
Yeah, a lagoon
somehow.
table. And other than that, I think this is a cute, wonderful little camper.
Right. So that is 9 things that Edie hates about this trailer, and now it's my turn. I have 71 items that I either like or dislike about this trailer. First thing is the fact that it's all aluminum. You can see that these cabinets, the entire thing is made. Oh, it says 16 TBS up there. Somebody scratched that in there. Everything is made of aluminum. There is no wood.
Nothing.
There is no metal except for the steps. So we could pretty much back this in.
Flooring is aluminum. Everything is aluminum.
And we could back it into the lake.
Yeah.
Leave it there, bring it out, and we still wouldn't have any rot.
Nope.
So that's 72 things.
Right.
I really like this porcelain backsplash, right, which didn't come with the trailer.
No.
But I had my mistress, or Guma,
Right.
put this on, and this is.
I didn't meet her.
This is
lovely,
this is
lovely
Greek
woman.
Orthodox tile.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I do love that. I love the media center, which Edie's boyfriend put together. And I do love this little USB drive, which does not come with the trailer. So, that's it. That's the review. And if you guys enjoyed this review, please put in the comments 92 things you dislike about this trailer and 79 things that you dislike about this trailer. Edie, do you have anything else to say?
Subscribe, hit the like button. Subscribe to littlehouseofbeans.com.
You don't have to do that. We're very happy with 33 subscribers. We would like 37 or 38 though. Thank you for watching our video and have a terrible day.